Just during the last 5 days, an alarming figure of 736 positive cases were recorded in the region. Hamunyela says the Ministry of Health and Social Services has now secured enough isolation facilities to accommodate new cases and also some of those in self-isolation. She emphasized that those self-isolating at home are being monitored by healthcare workers on a daily basis.
Most of these people are not in isolation facilities because in Khomas region we found ourselves not to have enough isolation facilities. But at this moment we have enough rooms. We have enough rooms to accommodate these people, and we are working on it to put most of them in these isolation facilities. Those that are not in isolation facilities are isolating at home. But those that are isolating at home, they are being monitored by healthcare workers.
However, there are fears of risk of infection in informal areas where persons who tested positive are forced to leave their dwellings to access toilets and fetch water. McLeod Kashirwa also emphasized authorities have identified 11 new testing centers in Windhoek East, John Pandeni, Tobias Hanyeko, Windhoek East, Katutura Central, and Khomasdal constituency to ease the backlog at Robert Mugabe Clinic. In addition, the Ramatex Complex, Katutura Community Hall, Ochomise Community Hall, and Groot Hope Clinic were also identified for testing in the next few weeks.
Recorded cases now stand at 2,400. Active cases is 2,033, and the recoveries is 513. Tested cases this week is 107, and our death as recorded is 24. Numbers of persons in isolation is 109, and numbers of people or persons in quarantine is 121. The following localities are the hotspots of these recorded COVID-19 active cases, starting with Khomasdal, Ochomise, Koreaha, Correctional Services, the prison, Olibia, Katutura, Simbabesia, Havana, Greenwell, Wanahenda, Rocky Crest, and Okuriangaba, as plotted in the map.
However, only those with symptoms or contacts of positive cases will be tested. The Oponganda and Pioneers Park Cemetery have been designated as the burial site for COVID-19 deaths. McLeod Kashirwa and Hamunyela made the revelations during a media briefing. Kaipa Herekanji, NBC News, Windhoek.